Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss of chapter triangles class 9 CBSE. I am going to give introduction about triangles guys. This may take few videos. It cannot be sufficient in a single video. Okay. So before going to continue with the triangle, you should know some basic concepts. That is polygon. So what is a polygon? It is a simple closed figure enclosed with line segments. Okay, first of all it should be a simple, it should be a closed figure and it should be enclosed with line segments. Okay, these two properties must satisfy to become a polygon. Okay, to become a closed figure or polygon we need minimum 3 line segments. Okay, if you take less than 2 line segments guys, it cannot be a closed figure, it will be an open figure. Okay, I have mentioned in the figure here. So triangle is a simple closed figure. A triangle is a 3-sided figure, right? A triangle is a simple closed figure enclosed with 3 line segments. See, I have mentioned here. AC is a 1 line segment, AB is 1 more line segment, but see, it is not a closed figure, right? Of course, enclosed with line segments, but it is not a closed figure. Among these two properties, one property is not at all satisfying. Yes or no? We are enclosed with line segments, but before that it should be a closed figure. Yes or no? So it is not a closed figure guys, it is an open figure. So coming to here, AB is a line segment, AC is a line segment, BC is a line segment. So it is today a closed figure, right? So this total closed figure is packed up or enclosed with line segments. Okay, then see in this figure it was satisfying 2 conditions. It is a simple closed figure, yes, it is a closed figure and enclosed with line segments. So this closed figure after joining with line segments, it become a closed, right? Now, so 2 properties are satisfied, therefore it becomes a polygon. Therefore triangle is a minimum figure to become a polygon. Okay, now, and you may get some doubt that sir, if you draw a curved line, then becomes a polygon or not. See, actually I mentioned here it should be a closed figure. Okay, that is first point, and it should be enclosed with a line segment, not with any other curves guys. Those circles or all those will deal with in the further classes. Okay, but now you concentrate on line segments only. It should be a closed figure and it should be a line segments, that's it. Of course, even if you draw curved figure also, suppose guys I draw a figure C and O. Okay, this is a closed figure, we accept it, but it is not enclosed with line segment, it is somewhat curves, right? Yes or no? So we don't deal with these type of figures as of now. We will deal with these curves or in the further classes, not now. Now you concentrate on line segments and closed figure, that's it. Now I have mentioned here figure 1, it is not a polygon because it is not a closed figure first of all, even though it is enclosed with line segments. Yes or no? I said in the starting that 2 statements should satisfy the condition. If either these 2 anyone is not satisfying, then we cannot say that it is not a polygon. Okay, polygon ante simple closed figure ga undali, total pack అయి ఉండాలి అండ్ లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్స్ తోటి డ్రా చేసి ఉండాలి. ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏ కండిషన్ కనుక సాటిస్ఫై కాకపోతే దాన్ని పాలిగాన్ అన్నాం మనం. ఓకే గైస్, అదే ఇక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేశాను ఇక్కడ. సో కమింగ్ టు సెకండ్ వన్, figure 2 is a polygon because it is closed figure. Yes or no? Total packed, it was packed, right? It is a closed figure and it is enclosed with line segments. So we have taken all the line segments only, we did not take any curves here. Yes or no? Therefore figure 2 becomes a polygon. And coming to this note, every closed figure need not be a polygon. So I mentioned here this is a closed figure but not a polygon. That one we'll discuss in the further classes I mentioned. Yes or no? So coming to note, every closed figure need not be a polygon, but every polygon is always a closed figure, guys. Please go through these points. These are very very basic points. Okay, I hope you understand this concept. Thank you for watching. In the next video I am going to cover some more points of same introduction of triangles only. I will cover some more points of triangles. So to start the regular topic, it takes minimum 4 to 5 introduction class, guys. Okay, I hope you understand this concept. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Okay, thank you.